little by little, bit by bit, family by family, so much good can be done on so many levels. When I joined IU about 8 months ago, I did so with the fullest sense of the wonderful history, discovery, learning, and excellence that have made IU such a special place. I also took this role with a sense of possibility, of great achievement, great expectations, and great accomplishments that we are yet to achieve. We need to ensure that we offer a truly exceptional teaching and learning environment for our students. The biggest and the most impactful discovery of our time happens when people work collectively to solve the biggest problems of our time. And the best place to do that is a major R1 university. Public universities have a special obligation to serve our broader communities, the state, our region, and the globe. I hope you take the time and make the effort to reach out broadly in your communities amongst your students so everybody is part of this process. You have to focus on regularly communicating the purpose, decisions, and next steps as a learning community and eager to share in the goals that you all will present. Let's set a bold and ambitious vision for 2030, one that lets us do so much good for IU and for our community. Thank you.